Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. First of all, sign in your Gmail account. Click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. Select the Google Drive icon. You will then be given the option to create a new Google Sheet. Click the New button in top left corner and select Google Sheet, blank sheet. In the top left-hand corner of the new sheet, you can name it by editing the default title called Untitled Spreadsheet. And then you can put in values into the cells. And notice up here all changes are saved to the drive automatically. So your sheets are saved by Google. Then you can go off the file. You can then move it to the folder you want for safekeeping. So I can move it to my demo docs. And now my first sheet file has been moved from the root of my drive to my demo docs folder.